Everyone, in this video we are going to solve this equation. We have 16 power x is equal to x power 8, where x belongs to natural number. We have to find the value of x. Okay, let's go to the solution. We can write 16 as 2 power 4 times x is equal to x power 8. Now divide both the power by 4 and x power 8 divided by 4. By simplifying, it will become 2 power x is equal to x power 1 divided by 1 power 2 x power 2. Now divide both the power by 2x, so this will become x power 2x and x power 2 divided by 2x. X will be cancelled with x and 2 can get cancelled with 2, so this will become 2 power 1 divided by 2 is equal to x power 1 divided by x. We have identity that a power 1 divided by a is equal to b power 1 divided by b, implies that a is equal to b. Applying this identity here, we get x is equal to 2. The original equation we have as 16 power x is equal to x power 8. Now put x is equal to 2, so this will become 16 power 2 is equal to 2 power 8. We can write 16 as 2 power 4 times 2 is equal to 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is equal to 2 power 8. Therefore, solution is verified.